Welcome back to the next part of our Shopify tutorial. So before we get into this video, of course, you already know there's 3 things I need y'all to do. Number 1, hit that subscribe button down below. Number 2, be sure to join our Facebook group Sublimation Cove, where we cover sublimation. And last but not least, we are the owners of Cosmos Ink. So if you need ink for your business, hit that link down below and we'll get it sent out to you. So the next thing we need to do is we need to verify our email address. So to do that, we're just gonna open up another tab. I'm already on the Gmail homepage. Just go to Gmail. And then as you can see, brand new email address, never really been used before, created just for this tutorial. So click on confirm my email address. And there you go, email address verified. So now we can just exit out of that, exit out of this, refresh this screen, and this part right here, it should disappear. Yep, see, it's gone. All right, so we are good on that. Next up, we want to add our domain. So after doing some research on the domain, I have a couple options. The first option is to go right here to add domain, and you can click on add domain. If you can't do it right here, and this is still within the first option, if you can't do it right here, you can come over to online store, go down to domains, and then the same thing will pop up there. All right, and that's only if it's not available on your home screen. So for us, we're gonna go back to our home tab. We're gonna go to add domain right here and click add domain. From there, we're gonna hit buy new domain. And for here, couple options. First option is foreversong.com, the way it's spelled out. Personally, I recommend getting a .com domain versus a .org or .edu or whatever. I always recommend .com, especially being here in the United States. If you're in the UK, then yeah, you can do .uk or whatever, but for us, normally it's .com. So foreversong.com is not available, and I'm gonna show you all why. If we go to GoDaddy and we type in foreversong.com and hit search domains, this domain is available, but it's for $3,295. And why is it so much? Of course, it says song is a widely used keyword, so that's why. Also, foreversong.com is very easy for people to remember, and it's spelled correctly. It's not number 4 eversong.com. So because it's spelled correctly, people are going to type it in as it sounds and as they perceive it to be. So a couple options. I can either buy foreversong.com right now for $3,200.95, or we can come back over here into Shopify, put in the number 4, and then put eversong.com, and it should be, hopefully, it's available, still available. I just did the research like less than 2 minutes ago. So saying it's not available. Let's try it again. foreversong.com. Saying it's still not available, so I'm gonna just refresh this screen. Up there it goes, just came available since I refreshed. So for foreversong.com. And now it's available for buy. Once I hit buy, it's gonna show, my personal information, your personal information. For the sake of this video, of course, I'm not gonna hit buy on this screen. Of course, I'm gonna pause it, do what I do on the back end, and then hit buy. But when you get to this very next screen, that's it. It'll just have your personal information and hit buy down at the bottom, and you just select that, and it'll say, hey, you can renew for, X amount of dollars per year. Definitely make sure you have that checked so they can automatically renew your domain name on here. And also, if I decide to buy this one, the number 4 eversong.com, and decide to buy this one on GoDaddy for $3,200, more than likely I am gonna do so because I know people are gonna be typing it in either way. So I can capitalize off of owning both domain names, and then I can transfer or slash forward a domain forward this domain to be my main domain on my website within Shopify. All right, so I'll still have this one at foreversong.com and then have the other one, the actual word foreversong.com, and they both go to the same web address. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video. I'm gonna buy the domain and I'm gonna come right back. All right, so once you hit buy domain, it's gonna take you to this next page. And on this page, I'm not scrolled all the way up to the top because of, personal information. But on this side over here, you have your personal information. It would be like right up here in this area. Under that is going to be our address that we typed in earlier. And then your who is information is private. That is very important because anybody and everybody can find out how to contact you through this whole who is system. So they can type in, your domain name, and then, your name will pop up, your phone number will pop up, and people will be calling you like spammers and people trying to sell you their website trafficking service, on all this crazy stuff. But as long as you make that private, it'll blacklist all your contact information, so nobody can reach out to you for nothing. All right. Also, at the top of this page is going to say they want you to verify your email address for your domain. So for us, we're going to go back to GoDaddy. Actually, not GoDaddy. We're going to open up a new tab. Go to our Gmail again. Shopify verification is required. That's the new policy. Click the following link right here. So we'll click that link. And we are good. The domains will be suspended if this verification is not complete. So you have to do this. All right, you have to do this. If you don't do it, it tells you right here. Will be suspended if this verification is not completed. So just come down to the bottom, go to verify information. Yep. Well, first, of course, overlook your information before you verify it. So yes, my name is Angelo. Yes, my last name is Bonaparte. Email address is foreversongs100@gmail.com. That is correct. So now go to verify information. And there it is, contact information verified. So now we can exit out of that, exit out of our email. I still have to come back through and buy this. I'm not gonna put this specific part in the video. Actually, I may or may not, because it's just dealing with Shopify. I'm not trying to do, GoDaddy, whole tutorial on GoDaddy and all that stuff. So go back over here. And that's it. We are good. All right. So I will see you all in the very next video. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to join our Facebook group, Sublimation Cove, where we talk about, obviously, sublimation. And last but not least, we are the owners of Cosmos Ink. So if you need sublimation ink or pigment ink for your business, be sure to hit that link down below and we'll get it sent out to you. All right. That is it. I will see you all in the next video. Angelo out.